Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a banner on your Shopify store. First of all, just open your shopifystore.com. So if you have a shop on Shopify, then we can actually customize the store. So we are going to go to this sales channel and then click on online store. And once we click on online store, then select this themes from here. After selecting the themes, you're gonna click on this customize. It will take you to your storefront and here we can customize our store. So image banner is an important part of our store. Here we can see in our home page you will have a header, and after the header we can add a template. So in the template what you can do is you can click on add section. After adding add section, you're gonna select image banner. Now you can add an image banner at the top, even at the end. Let's actually add right here above our footer. So I'm gonna add it right here. Click on image banner. So once you select it, it will be added on your store right here. You can see we now have an image banner. So we will select the image now. Click here and click on select image. We will upload the image here, or we can select from the image we already uploaded. So I'm going to select one and you will see the image banner will be added here. You can see now we have an image in the background. We can also customize the text on the image banner. So the heading says this, but we are going to change it. Let's say new one. Just go to this and change the text here, and then we can also customize the button right here. So you can customize all these things, you can check that. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.